So hello friends, today we are going to print a cross star pattern. So how to print this pattern I will teach you in this video tutorial. So first of all I am taking n as an input from a user. So I am taking 5. So here is a input which I am taking from a user, and what indicates this? We are printing the rows according to this input. Okay, so first of all what will we understand? First we are we understand that I am going to print our outer loop for int I equals to 1, then after I less than equals to how much I will go to n, after that I plus plus. So this is the outer loop for printing rows. So in this outer loop I am from this outer loop I am printing rows. So how much rows it will print? It will print 5 rows. So here is the 5 rows: row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, and row number 4, and row number 5. So it will print this row, okay, this outer loop. After that, for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, then j plus plus. Okay, so what this loop will do? It will print columns. Okay, this loop will print columns. So here's first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column, after that fifth column. Here's my 5 rows and 5 column I have printed. So what can we do? So understand this pattern. If my I is 1, so j is also 1. Okay, no, clear? After that, if my j I is 2, then j will also be a true 2. Okay, if my j I is 3, my j also be a 3. If my I is 4, then j is also be a 4. Okay, if my I is 5, then j is also be a 5. So what you understand through this code, through this diagram of a code? So we understand that I is always equals to j. Okay, I is equals to j. So we have built logic for these stars. Okay, after that, for these stars what we can do? So first of all understand that our star is starting from last digit, last number. Okay, first the j is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. We want to build that, we want to print how we print this. So we want to build a logic. So I have a logic for that. Just if n minus I, if n minus I means 5 minus 1, for initially for this j, this column, 5 minus I will be 4, but it will printing 4. What can I do? If it will print 4, so it will be on start, star will start from 4th. Okay, but I want to start from 5th. So what can we do? We want to do that just plus 1. Okay, in this just plus 1, so it will become 5. Okay, for first column, first for first column, for second column, the it will become 4. It will be n is 5 minus I will become 2 plus 1, then 5 minus 2 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, for third column, the 5 minus, then I will become 3 plus 1. 5 minus 3, what's the 2 plus 1 is 3. For fourth column, 5 minus 4 plus 1. 5 minus 4 is 1, plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, for last column, 5 minus 5, it will become 0, plus 1, it will become 1. So for through this formula we will print our column diagonal. Okay, so for first, what can I do? If my I is equals to how much? J. Okay, I will equals to J, or my J will become equals to how much? N minus I plus 1. Okay, if my J equals to N minus I plus 1, then what can I do? I will print stars system dot out dot print. What we print? We print star. Okay, after that, else what we can print? We print system dot out dot print. What we print? If it is not, then we print only spaces. Okay, after that, exit the loop, but in this, just we print system dot out dot print ln. Here's the loop, here's the command for we are printing line breaks. Okay, just here is our code for printing our cross star pattern. So it will very easy code. If this video is valuable for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem, just comment down the your problem, if and I will resolve that problem as soon as possible. So thank you, thanks a lot.